Welcome to our foot massager battle. Today, we are comparing two amazing products, the RENPHO foot massager machine with heat and the COMFIER Shiatsu foot massager machine. Both of these devices promise to relieve foot pain and provide a relaxing experience, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price comparison. The RENPHO foot massager is priced at $139.99, making it a premium option. In contrast, the COMFIER Shiatsu foot massager is much more budget-friendly at $83.99. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for value for money. Next, let's discuss the unique technologies each product offers. The RENPHO model features an automatic foot size detection sensor, ensuring a customized massage experience. On the other hand, the COMFIER model includes a toe vibration massage, providing additional relief for the toes. These innovations cater to different user preferences and needs. Finally, let's look at how you control these devices. The RENPHO foot massager offers cordless remote control, allowing for easy operation without being tethered to a wall. In contrast, the COMFIER model requires corded controls, which may limit your placement options. This aspect can significantly affect user convenience and comfort. In conclusion, both the RENPHO and COMFIER foot massagers have their unique strengths. The RENPHO offers advanced technology and cordless convenience, while the COMFIER provides excellent value and comprehensive coverage. Depending on your budget and preferences, either could be the perfect addition to your relaxation routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.